Alright, we have a camera inspection here for Tucker Kemp at 4813 46th Avenue North. We're going to be doing an inspection from 3 separate cleanouts today. This is the garage bathroom cleanout. We have 2 other cleanouts over there on the side of the house. So what we're going to do is throw this in here because this is the main run of the house, or at least it ties into the main run, going towards the city tap. So we have a PVC clean out here. Looks like immediately into cast iron. Basically how I'm going to do this, into a test tee immediately. Oh, it's a 4-inch, 3 to 4 inch test tee there, okay. I'm going to do these pretty back to back to back. And I'm just going to pause the video when I get to the very end of the line to pull all the way back, and I will continue the video afterwards. Okay, this cast iron looks okay. Got a little bit of debris building up on the side. Here we go. Oh, okay. I can't tell if this is roots or if it's just a huge collapse in the pipe. So I know that this tee here goes to the second cleanout I'll eventually be in the video, which is the master cleanout. And then we have more cast iron here. Cast iron's starting to get a good amount of debris built up on the side. Got some more standing water here. And another tie-in, which this is the main house tie-in. More standing water, starting to get a little bit more debris on the bottom, and the cast iron's definitely getting in rougher shape here. You can tell with the camera how it moves when I'm sliding it past. It's definitely moving around a lot more. Again, still more standing water and pretty rough bottom. Water's flowing, so it's not terrible, but the cast is definitely in pretty rough shape. You can see how much the camera's bouncing around now. The bottom of this pipe is pretty worse for wear. Potentially a crack on that left side. I'll keep going. Okay, you can definitely see here now. This right side of the pipe is starting to get a good amount of debris held up on it. It doesn't even look like 4-inch anymore. Yeah, you can see on the bottom now there's a little bit of a scrunch in the pipe. A lot of debris sitting. Yeah, this cast iron's getting really rough towards the end of this line. A crack? There might be a break right there on the right side. It almost looks like a crack right there. Okay. More standing debris. Yeah. We're 90 feet into this line now. Looks like we're coming up on potentially clay pipe. Yeah, looks like clay. I think this is the city tap right here. Slight separation from looks like a city clean out possibly. So yeah, that's city line now. Okay. Alright, I'll pause it, and when I get back to the tail end of this pipe, I'll turn the video back on. Okay, so pulling back now, about 15 feet. This is the last 10 or so feet here of the pipe I was already in. And because we've already seen all those T's, I'm only going to do the camera from the cleanouts to those T's. So, go back here. Okay, clean out number 2, right here. So this, I believe this was an addition, so this should be mostly PVC. I got some standing water again. Another tie-in here. Looks like the PVC is maybe slightly separated. Oh, you know what? This goes to that T, doesn't it? Makes a turn. Yeah. So this is that fitting that's all messed up. I'll turn so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Right here is when you go back into the main line. And this is the fitting that's pretty well separated here. Yeah, that's what's causing it. Okay, so we'll pull back from here since we've already seen all that. This does look like another tie-in. It looks like a 2-inch tie-in, potentially the kitchen. I know the kitchen did get replaced as well here, but that PVC is separating potentially a bad Fernco or something around those lines. Definitely some standing water in there, which is not good. Not good at all. Alright, so this is a short run. I'm just going to pull back, keep the camera rolling. Here we go, we're at the clean out. And we're going to move to our third and final clean out. Alright, third clean out. Clean this camera off for you guys. Alright, third clean out. Right there. It's the backyard. First clean out was over there. Second clean out's right there. You can see it. So this clean out is on the original part of the house. So I'm expecting to see some cast. And that's exactly what I got. Oh yeah. Oh, this cast iron is probably the worst in the house. You can see it looks like it's kind of smushed on the sides because of all the debris buildup. Makes the pipe look pretty oblong. Yeah. And then we have our T in to the main line right here. See if I can make that turn so you guys can see. There's our main line. Okay. I believe that is everything for this camera. I'm going to go ahead and mark all the depths so you guys know. I've already marked the 2 cleanouts, or technically the 3 cleanouts. This one's about 1'2". The second cleanout was about 1'2" as well. The other cleanout was about 1 foot down, if that. And there's a bunch of flags and markings done. City tap was approximately 3 feet deep where I marked it. And obviously a couple marks in between so you guys know what the depth is. So that should be everything. Should be good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and stop this video now.